a gold shop bi ewo man konkon Ghana yimu ana eye man peni John Dramani mama appointee owura Sammy Gyamfi ono na national communicator de ma Chinyama Nyoko NDC se onkonko ye CEO ewo ho na enye no nkon obo no esan boye oye ono an hwetwo mutwo ne yere esan so eka ho na ene na chairman Wontumi ene Kwame Bafo Abronye chairman Wontumi chairman de ma Asante region na Kwame Bafo Abronye so regional chairman de ma Bono region na ebusuafo omode nsemba betudwa kire se secret audio bi a Sammy Gyamfi ene ne yere no faaye ewo WhatsApp ana eliki na efri Wontumi ana Kwame Bafo Abronye ama Sammy Gyamfi no ho akire ne yie pa nya asem keto fi se ye bisa na prayer send gold na fahin fa se wonim ho hwe ena de secret audio no kire se Sammy Gyamfi one ne yere no omnim gold na ayira no ehu ebi.
It's here the angel who film. No one can ask him. So that was the disclaimer. But beyond the disclaimer, no, I want to put it to Sammy Gyamfi and his likes and his ilk. Say, Omunye di pa je will be. Huh? Sammy Gyamfi enye di pa je will be. Sammy minu se bi wi obe almost said them obe first at God in the name me say. I'm me aso na meye. Joyce Bawa Muktari. Joyce Bawa Muktari and now also show people on social media. And go focus say Joyce Bawa Muktari abra na wo ye deputy minister. President Mahama time na wo kunu so ye CEO. Wo ko fie no. Aban ka ye de ma wa no use just 2 years. No waka number no ba me mbo. Motor car na brand new tear rubber 2013. Ena mufri aban mu akala yensa media ma ya kra fatoso me I'll call for that fatoso kra na media the BCNC who you su car no just 2 years ena omoton car ne ma wo Joyce Bawa Muktari as part of your conditions of service me any problem wo ho wo car no STC 4 and a value ma wo at I think 14,000 Ghana cedis. 2016 now the day before I moved free Abemu 6th January 2017 6th January 2017 and na Joyce Bawa Muktari ye papa Julius Debra then chief of staff etu okrata no say kan ya to amount ya ko value no wo STC and ntika no value 14,000 When I go to the fact card coffee, Joyce one go to ya. Joyce go to another one go to ya. What go to ya? And then ya can once a man was ein, and ya won a value car no. It is so be one once some car. One co estis no more estis for cocoon. And I say, and some fool aqua. Abaya say what cantonments, Laboni, Roman Ridge, Dansuman. Any baby at Tamaleta Cradi Kumasi, a yard na a bumper the 4 tonno, be power chow. Aya na blood bank and a Red Cross Society and a Bible Society of Ghana for and a value woman and a friend say Lands Commission omo valuation department omo ne ko value assassin say assassin buo say ba wo Joyce Bawa Muktari obi to assassin wa aban ho aban Lands Commission for the value atoso. Then you still go ahead and call them thieves, looters. When they friend is say okuje to blackwa, you call every obia what to assassin Ghana assassin the biano obia to assassin the bia. You call them looters, land grabbers, grabbing land here and there. That's what you keep on saying. Forgetting say and your man no papa no e value too so state mandated institution Lands Commission and the value too so and no motia. Adan the other market say and na she said the almost be quiet one said and now what to assassin will laboni meanwhile street value a former street value is it the regular price? It can't say street value. Just say street value no be to the jido pay. But street value is not the standard. Street value, it is not the standard. Who person to aban asase Lands Commission for and a be value the amount. Omo the amount no mind krata, no akwa to bankers draft, which you have card the krata amount, what see with that what you asase. And one no. Obi what to be aside no yet you call them looters. That's what you do. Na just ba motare nya kwa be kan an obi obeka bi say ese waya boni bia de what they be court. Look at you people. Since when did you people have hope and trust and confidence in the judicial system in this country? Since when? Enrechi, you guys were calling them names. Enrechi, you guys were calling them names. Unanimous 11, unanimous 7. Say some kind of more straight, no more straight. A judge from penny for Supreme Court judges, High Court judges. No matter to within the deal matter. Enrechi, bank society, or become a sama, but the Rebecca court, or because at least I'm Ghana for you now, Mopa Munya class action against Ghana for you now. I feel the Abacana Cassie. To the extent they say lawyer penny papa to send a neck. President Kopome because before he became president, he was a statesman already. It is the name na Kufuado look like it is enough. Now Obama Penimua, what worried that dada. Now you free more than 20 years ago. You pay your guys to go out there. Now umuja what's a minamo make up mampong. Bidru mampong say no na Kufuado yire ne samai osu was a Kufuado na kunere. You guys said all these things of Ghana. As if some way nipache will be. Now the tables have turned. Watch out. Now the tables have turned. And this say bia muko and some muko biem. I shall 40 are close to the down and I said this musa renovate because I feel about the pay begum open crompa. Yeah, can say what the padlock about to you say. All of a sudden we have turned the studios of Wontumi into a prison facility. They are them wa. This is just the beginning. And you can go ahead and do your worst because what could talk a banker and you look who on 14,000 and you look it's a war was saying for ya cron for or land grabbers and land looters. It's a Marco Jack when Ghana ni penimu ben what to assassia as I want to cock fire or this could say, Hannah fire went to yak. My assignment meaning and let tables not turn it ya. Move come. Musu eti afdabe na munya gidie ewo Ghana judge volume ana say okay some podium so moye ana say de mu do bi court na say nipa kro no judge for na emu ama mode ya ubetima ku because mo so moye maku judge for da ewo krom ha maku judge for miensa oba ba akokro bona ne betwa no nufu ano mokwa chi ni fie kokun no NDC for. And you are so proud of that barbaric history of yours. We are so proud of it. President Mahama himself, he is so proud of that barbaric heinous. What that's okay. I say when it comes to unleashing violence, we have revolutionary roots. Sir,